student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the lesson 5 food health and hygiene. In this video we have discussed about the exercise of lesson 5 and but before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First we see the homework. Okay student, you have take a copy and pen. Now I am solving the homework. Those are given in previous online class. So see one by one. Give two examples of each. Give two examples of each. First number, proteinated food. Means you give two examples of proteinated food. Means good source of protein. Give the food, two food items. Here I take the some others also take the name like milk, milk product, peanut, fish, egg, meat, pulses, soya bean. Butter you have right, meat and soya bean. Meat and soya bean. Okay, two examples of proteinated food are meat and soya bean. Next, carbohydrated food. Carbohydrated food, give two examples of carbohydrated food. Two examples of carbohydrated food are potato and rice. First example, potato and rice. Sugar also, honey also. Okay, but you write any two food items. Those are good source of carbohydrate. So you have write carbohydrated food. First example, potato, and second, rice. Third number, fatty food. Two examples of fatty food. First, oil. Second, butter. Oil and butter. First oil, then butter. Next, communicable disease. Communicable diseases. Two examples of communicable diseases. And you know that what do you mean by communicable diseases? A disease that is spread from one person to another person is called communicable disease. Example, cholera, typhoid, polio, malaria, dysentery, jaundice, digestive disorders, dengue fever, AIDS. Okay, chicken pox, measles, etc. But you have write A, polio, B, cholera. Now next number, last, non-communicable diseases. Give two examples of non-communicable diseases. First example, beriberi, and second, rickets. Beriberi, rickets, scurvy, goiter, etc. But you have write two examples, any two examples. You can write first beriberi and second B, rickets. So all student, this exercise you have write in copy in proper way, and I request you in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Okay. Okay student, see here. Take the odd one out. Before this exercise, I give the very important information. In previous online class, a single student not write name, class and section. I told many times in every video when you watch in last session, in comment box you have write name, class and section. Okay, but on Friday nobody write name, class and section in comment box, but today you have write name, class and section in comment box. So here first see the take the odd one out. Here 5 questions and each question has 4 things. One thing is different from others. Find out the different things, odd one, and also give region. So listen region also. First, rice, wheat, orange, potato. Rice give us carbohydrate, means you can say rice, wheat and potato. These three food items are rich source of carbohydrate. What? Carbohydrate. But orange is a source of vitamins. So that's why orange is different from others. Clear? Next, I repeat again. Rice, wheat and potato. These food items are rich source of carbohydrate, but orange is a source of vitamins. So here orange is different. Next, fast food, carbohydrate, proteins, minerals. Here see, fast food is different. Why? Because carbohydrate, proteins, minerals, these are nutrients. What? These are nutrients. But fast food is not a nutrient. Fast food is a food item. So that's why fast food is odd one. But this one different from others. I repeat again. Carbohydrates, proteins, minerals are nutrients, but fast food is a food item. Next, very rickets, tuberculosis also known as TB, and goiter. Very rickets, tuberculosis, goiter. Very disease caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Rickets disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Goiter disease is caused due to deficiency of iodine, but tuberculosis is caused due to bacteria and bacterial infection. So you can see here, very rickets and goiter are non-communicable disease, but tuberculosis is a communicable disease. That's why tuberculosis is different from others. Clear? Now next, rest, hygiene, exercise, late night sleep. What is the different? Rest also important for our body. If you know that if any person continuously work at least near about 8 hours or 10 hours, then their body want to rest, and after rest they again able to do work. Exercise also very important for our body. Hygiene, cleanliness, hygiene also very important. Exercise also good for the health, but late night sleep, this is not good for the health. That's why late night sleep is different from others. I repeat again, rest, hygiene, exercise, these are good for the health, but late night sleep is not good for the health. Next, bacteria, tapeworm, protozoa, virus. Which one different? Guess. Here type 1 is a different. Bacteria, protozoa and virus, they are, most of the bacteria are microscopic. You can see the bacteria with the help of electron microscope because they are body shape in micron. Virus also microscopic and protozoa also microscopic. Means bacteria, protozoa, virus, these are microscopic microorganisms, but type 1 is belong to platyhelminthes, SK helminthes, belong to parasite animal. So their body shape in centimeter, not a microscopic, not in a micron. That's why different. Okay, protozoa. I repeat again. Bacteria, protozoa, virus are microorganisms, but type 1 not a microorganism. Okay, because their body shape in centimeter, millimeter, but bacteria, virus, protozoa, virus, their body shape in microns. You can say microscopic. So I repeat again. In first, orange is different. In second, rice, wheat, potato is a good source of carbohydrate, but orange is a good source of vitamins. Fast food, carbohydrate, proteins, minerals. Fast food is different because carbohydrate, proteins and minerals are nutrients, but fast food is a food item. Very rickets, tuberculosis, goiter. Tuberculosis is different because very rickets and goiter are the deficiency disease. You can say non-communicable disease, but tuberculosis is a communicable disease. Rest, hygiene, exercise, late night sleep. Here late night sleep is different because rest, hygiene and exercise, these are good for the health, but late night sleep not good for the health. Bacteria, type 1, protozoa, virus, type 1 is different because bacteria, virus, protozoa, virus is very, can say microorganism, but type 1 is not a microorganism because they are body shaped in centimeter and millimeter. Now all students, you have take a copy and pen. Now write a homework of lesson 5, food at health and hygiene, date 22 August, and homework is mark a tick mark, correct mark against the correct word and cross the wrong one. Okay, each sentence have two word and one is wrong, one is correct. You find out which one wrong and which one correct. First, proteins are bodybuilding or energy giving nutrients. I repeat again. Proteins are bodybuilding or energy giving nutrients. Second, proteins are carbohydrate or energy giving nutrients. Which one? Energy giving nutrients. Proteins are carbohydrate. Next, deficiency of nutritious food or clean water is called malnutrition. I repeat again, deficiency of nutritious food or clean water is called malnutrition. And fourth number, common cold is a communicable or non-communicable disease. Common cold is a which type of disease? Communicable or non-communicable disease. Next, fifth number, polio is a communicable or non-communicable disease. Means polio which type of disease? Communicable or non-communicable. So you try to solve this homework in copy but don't write wrong. Okay, in next video I will solve this homework. So first to try in rough copy, and I request you in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Thank you.